Welcome back. On today's episode of Hey, you can't park that there, we're going to be welding this tab to this piece for absolutely no reason other than just to say we did. I have this piece already set down right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my tool that I'm going to use to attach them together. Now this won't fuse it together, but this will actually just attach it to itself. What I do is I just run it down front, and back sides. Okay, now we have that down. Now I'm going to do some welding. For smaller welding, one of my favorite welders I like to use is this little guy. It's very fine-tuned, very precise, can control it really well. I should have welded with a longer welding rod. There we go. This up so you guys can see it. You can see the back side of it, hopefully. I just made a bead all the way around it. When you know how to weld really good, your beads will look something like that. All right, that's when you know you're really doing a good job at welding plastic. Honestly, there's not a lot different from what a good bead looks like with plastic and what it looks like with metal. Cool it off.